Hello YouTube, this is Wine2480. I'm getting ready to shampoo my hair. I'm going to use Lottie Body Hydrate Me Moisturizing Shampoo and the conditioner. I'm going to use this up, and like I said in my previous video, I think I'm going to stop being a product junkie and just stick to like 1 or 2 shampoos. I was going to keep this in my staple. Not sure if I am, because I was going to keep this in the Pantene. I put the name of it. I can't remember all of it. But I was going to keep these 2 as a staple, but I'm not sure, since I'm trying to get moisture back into my hair. I did let a hairstylist relax it, and if you didn't check out that video, I'll leave the link below, and also I'll leave it in the iCards above so you can watch that video. But I did get it relaxed, and even the hairstylist was saying that I needed to do like a moisturizing treatment because my hair was very dry. She cut my hair as well. I don't know. Hope you all can see that. But I guess she cut like the some of the ends off, because I was like not relaxing my hair bone straight. So some sections, and also by me not being able to see my hair very well in the back, and even sometimes in the front, I miss sections. I didn't understand that. Maybe I didn't smooth it out enough. But sometimes I would have, even after I would relax it, a section that wasn't really straight. So as it grew down to the ends, it was very brittle and dry, that section of my hair. So she cut a lot of that off. And I'm getting ready to shampoo my hair so y'all can see how it looks wet after she relaxed it, because I'm pretty sure she didn't leave any texture. She just relaxed it bone straight for me. But that's fine. I'm still gonna stick to every 12 weeks though, getting my relaxer. But this is how the roots are looking. Hope you all can see it. It's very slick and straight at the roots. So I'm getting ready to shampoo, and after I shampoo it, I will do a moisturizing treatment. I'm just gonna use Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Treatment. Now, I used to use this, but they have changed. I don't know if they just added a scent to it or they changed the formula altogether. So I'm going to see how my hair responds to this, because I used to use it and I didn't really want to buy it, y'all, because it has a strong perfumey scent that I really don't like. But that is one of the things I used to use on my hair when I first started my hair journey. Now they have a moisturizer, and to me the moisturizer is not as strong as the moisturizing treatment. So, but I'm going to use that as my moisturizing treatment this week, and I'm just going to try to, you know, use up the products I already have and then start fresh. So I'll let y'all know when I start fresh and just stick to 1 or 2 products. I may go to, I know one is Nairobi. I do still use that. I really like the shampoo and conditioner. And I was just trying to think like what I used to do, because my hair was not always like this. I relaxed it. It looked healthy. It was strong. And it was very moisturized. But I keep switching products up. So, you know, your hair, it suffers when you do that. And the hairstylist was also telling me about Mizani relaxer. She was saying that some people's hair cannot take that relaxer. So if you're relaxing be mindful of the products that you're using on your hair, from the relaxer to the shampoo to the conditioner to the leave-in. Just be mindful of what you're using, because that could be causing your hair to break and be brittle. And by us being product junkies, sometimes you don't get what your hair really needs because you keep switching products every week or every 2 weeks. How often you shampoo, or once a month, however often you shampoo and condition your hair, you keep switching it up, so your hair never can get used to one product. So eventually I will just stick to one or two products for shampoo and conditioner. I think I'm going to go back to my Nairobi foam wrap as well, because I'm not really liking Lolly Body anymore like I used to. So we'll see. But as I, make my changes, I'll come give you all updates. And if I decide to stick with just the Lolly Body and Nairobi, I'll let you know as well. Or Nairobi and another one, I'll let you know too. So just stay tuned. Sorry for the ramble. But I'm going to shampoo, and then I will come back so y'all can see a texture shot of my hair after I let the stylist relax it. So stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I am back. I did shampoo and condition my hair, and this is how it's looking wet. This is a wet shot. Hope you all can see that. So it looks like I don't see a whole lot of texture anymore. Maybe a little right here. But overall, it's super, super straight. Only thing about going to hairstyles, when you don't have the funds, that's the only thing, That's the only reason why I was self-relaxing, because it's a whole lot cheaper to do it yourself. But if you can, just save up the money. If you go 12 weeks, just save up your funds and go let a professional do it, because it's best, because they could see the back of your hair better than you can. And I have been self-relaxing ever since like 2010, so about 9 years. And in between there, I did used to go to the stylist, but not very often, just to get a relaxer. So hopefully I could continue letting someone else do it, so I won't have to worry about what I was going through, because I noticed my hair was lacking moisture. But I also was like, well, what did you used to do when you started your hair journey? When I started my hair journey, I used to moisturize the heck out of my hair with oils. When I used to roller set, I used to just saturate my hair just about in oil, and then even at night I would do the castor oil, so that helped keep moisture in my hair. And then I got slack, and then I started thinking, well, what other products did you used to use that you changed? So if something's working, don't change it. Keep what's working for your hair. But I'm getting ready to put the moisturizing treatment on. And I'm also going to add my oils. It's just castor oil and grapeseed oil, because I don't have any more avocado oil. I need to get some. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put a plastic cap on, sit underneath the dryer. And then I will come back when I begin to style my hair. Either when it's, because I want to do a certain style. So I'll probably come back maybe after when I begin styling my hair. I'll come back. Okay, everyone, I have put that moisturizing treatment on my hair by Silk Elements. And once you start putting it on, I don't smell it. It's not that strong to me once I started applying it to my hair. But in the jar, it just smells very perfumey. I wish they would go back to the old formula. It had a better smell. The consistency seems to be the same. Not sure if they changed it. I would have to go back probably to one of my old videos or try to find the ingredients of the old formula online and tell you all. But I'm just combing it through. But I made sure to really concentrate on my ends. So. Alright, and so I'm going to put that castor oil and grapeseed oil on. Then I'm going to put my cap on. And sit under the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So. And when you go to hairstyles, they really don't, you know, do this with the oils. This is how my hair looks after I just came from underneath the dryer. So I'm getting ready to rinse it out with cool water. Okay, I rinsed the conditioner and the oils out. It looks very shiny. So we will see how it looks after it dries. Okay, everyone, I parted my hair from here all the way around to here. And I'm going to put some perm rods in the front, right here. And then I'm going to attempt to put a braid here. So I'm going to add my Lottie Body leave-in to my hair. And after that, I'm going to add some of this moisturizing leave-in. First time doing this, just to see how it would do, so I can get more moisture in my hair. Just trying to get as much moisture as I can, because my hair is very dry. I'm trying to get the moisture back in it. And drinking water does help as well. I do slack. Sometimes I do good and then I back off of the water. But drinking water and eating healthy is also a plus too. We're keeping your hair healthy, and I'm pretty sure we're keeping moisture in it as well. The foods we eat does affect our bodies. You eat too much sweets, it will affect your body. So, just putting that on. a moisturizer. Never done this, I'm just trying it. It said it can be used on wet or dry hair to protect hair from thermal shine. To protect hair from thermal styling, use prior to applying heat. So you can put this on wet hair. And it is best to read the directions before you start applying it to your hair. Really, I could just put the flexi rods in there like that and just keep water in it. Just keep it moist if I choose to. And I may just try it. I do have a little Lottie Body left that I was going to use. But I think I'm just going to do that. Just moist it with water. And see how my curls come out. Okay, everyone, I have finished rolling my hair. This is how it's looking. Not sure if I will sit under the dryer. It's about 7:38. So I'm not sure if I'm going to sit under the dryer or not. I may. But I will come back I will come back in the morning with the finished results. So stay tuned.